Hello, this is Tim with Classic Plumbing Systems. We are in Champaign County, Illinois. Today I am working on the plumbing here on a Habitat Homes house. We have partnered with Habitat Homes of Champaign, Urbana for over 8 years. This is our 63rd home, and it is truly an honor to help them and to know them after all of those years of working together. Today I want to show you what I've been installing underneath here in the cabinet. Down here, as you're able to go and see, I've been hooking up the drain line. We have a 2-inch drain which comes out of the wall with our clean out. Now, the clean out is very important because in the event that ever any type of lard or grease is sent down the drain of the sink and it happens to go and get plugged up underneath, this is a really easy way for a drain cleaner to take this out, put in the cable, and clean it out. It's also a code in Illinois that every kitchen sink have a clean out. This here is the drain that comes from the dishwasher. So by Illinois code, it has to tie in independent of the garbage disposal. A lot of people who don't know what they're doing, they'll go and run the dishwasher drain into this garbage disposal, and that's not allowed in our state. Just checking everything, making sure it's tight before I turn on the water. And yes, I am going to put Teflon tape on the clean out here. Here we are. We have installed our drains underneath inside of the cabinet, and now it's time to test it out. So I'm going to test out over here on the left side. So let's turn on the cold water here, and while this water is filling up, I just want to take a minute and talk about who had built this home. This home is built by Habitat for Humanity of Champaign County. And we have helped out Habitat Home on homes for over 63 houses, going back well over 10 years. It's been a partnership which has truly enriched me and my team. We have built some amazing friendships, and to be a part of such a quality home build is truly an honor. A few of the things about this habitat home that really resonates with me is all the exterior walls are 2x6, which is almost 50% thicker than the average exterior wall in most homes. Also, in this habitat house, there is 1 inch of a foam board insulation, and Habitat and their team goes and caulks around all of the seams of the foam board inside of the stud bay. And then they install the OSB, which goes on the outside of the studs, and they go and caulk in that OSB and the base plate. Why that is so valuable is because it helps to keep the warm air and the cool air inside of the house and saves on energy. So here we are with our sink. This is a Delta faucet that we've installed. Also, what we install in the Habitat house is a deeper kitchen sink. This sink is 7 3/4 inches deep. Typically in most economical builds or cost-conscious builds, the sink is only 6 inches deep. And that really helps a lot for the washing of pots and pans and other dishes. As a married man myself who washes dishes, I know that I definitely appreciate a deeper sink. I'm going to pull out the drain here, and then I will be inspecting our pipes underneath. Now, I always tell our team that you will feel a leak or hear a leak before you're able to see one. And that's usually the case. So what I do is I inspect each connection point. We have our dishwasher here. We have our flanged tailpiece. This is our branch piece. In Illinois, the dishwasher, by code, is not allowed to drain into the garbage disposal. So what I am doing here is I'm inspecting each of these marble connections. This is called a jam nut and a washer that we have here. And everything is nice and dry after the filling up of the tank. So this kitchen is all set and ready to go.